Once upon a time, there was a clever little inventor named Nino who loved to dream up marvelous gadgets. His best friend was Louna, a brilliant girl with the specia gift of talking to animals. Together, they had discovered a magical treehouse tucked away in the heart of a big whispering forest. Every time they stepped inside, it transported them to a miniature world that needed their help. In their first adventure, Nino and Louna found themselves staring at something rather peculiar. Nino had accidentally broken the magical watch from the treehouse. With a single crack, everything around them began to move very, very slowly, as if time itself had become a sleepy, dawdling snail. Uh-oh, Nino scratched his head, his hair sticking out like tiny tufts of hay. I think I've slowed down time. Louna giggled. Even her laughter seemed to take its sweet time to echo around them. Oh, Nino, look at the flutterby. A butterfly seemed to hover in the air, flapping its wings in the gentlest motion. Well, that's one way to admire its details, Nino chuckled nervously. Despite the strange situation, Nino and Louna decided to explore. They trotted slowly through the forest, where even the rustling leaves took ages to whisper. Normally, a sprightly squirrel would dart past them in a blink, but now it paused mid-leap, looking like a furry little statue in the middle of the path. It's like art, paused in time, Louna observed as she knelt to greet the stationary squirrel. What do you think, Nino? Nino pondered for a while, which felt even longer in this slow-paced world. I guess sometimes slowing down helps us notice things we usually miss when we're rushing, he admitted. I've just been so busy inventing, I forgot to stop and listen to the forest. Realization warmed his cheeks like a shy morning sunbeam. Maybe fixing the watch wouldn't simply stop the slow-motion world. Perhaps it would teach him to appreciate the details in his own life. Come on, let's see if we can fix it, Louna urged. I bet there are things we can only do now because everything's so slow. They journeyed cautiously, marveling at the stately pace of the world. The pair reached a serene pond where the water glistened like thousands of patient stars. Nino knelt down, carefully picking up bits of polished stones and forgotten gears washed ashore. With a dash of this and a sprinkle of that, Nino muttered, engrossed in his repair, I think I'll have this fixed in no time. Which is precisely what happened. With each tiny tweak, things around them whisked forward to their normal speed, just as if a painter had made his vibrant brush strokes afresh. At last, everything was as it should have been. The forest burst into life. The squirrel scampered joyously away. The leaves rustled blissfully, and the butterfly flitted playfully into the breeze. You fixed the watch, Nino. Louna clapped her hands, a sparrow echoing her cheer. Nino nodded, but it was more than the watch he'd mended.